Ready to dig into something exciting? Today, we're not just talking about garden tools. We're about to reveal their secret superpowers with some jaw-dropping hacks. Whether you're a green-thumbed pro or just planting your very first seed, these hacks are about to change your gardening game. Get ready for clever tips and tricks that'll make your life easier, your garden happier, and your friends totally impressed. So, slip on those gloves, pop on your sun hat, and let's dive into a world of must-try tool hacks that'll transform your garden into something magical. No matter where you are on your gardening journey, these tips are your ticket to a more creative, fun, and flourishing garden. Hey, garden lovers! If you've been hanging out with me for a while, you know I can't resist a clever upcycling hack, especially when it comes to the garden. But did you know your old kitchen forks are hiding a secret superpower? That's right, these everyday utensils are about to become your new favorite weeding tool. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never look at a fork the same way again. Seriously, this hack is a total game changer for your weeding routine. Just grab any old fork, bonus points if it's got a solid handle, and head outside. Your garden is about to thank you. Slide the fork right up to the base of that pesky weed, getting nice and close to the soil. Give it a gentle push, using the handle for a little extra oomph. The fork's prongs will grab those stubborn roots, loosening them up like magic. Give it a little wiggle, a gentle tug, and voila, that weed comes out, roots and all. So satisfying. No harsh chemicals, no sore back, just easy, breezy weeding. And the best part? This trick is perfect for those tight spots around your precious plants. No more accidental uprooting. When you're done, just rinse off your trusty fork, give it a quick scrub, and it's ready for your next weeding adventure. Once you start weeding with a fork, you'll wonder how you ever gardened without it. Give it a try. You might just forget all your old tools. Ever feel like watering your garden is a full-on wrestling match? Let's turn that struggle into a smooth, satisfying victory. Wrestling with a tangled hose can make you feel like you're battling a wild beast. Frustrating, messy, and exhausting. But here's the secret weapon every gardener needs. Hose guides. These little heroes make watering a total breeze. They're simple, affordable, and they'll save you from endless hassle and wasted water. And guess what? You don't need fancy gadgets. You can whip up your own hose guide with just a few easy-to-find materials. One of my favorite tricks? Grab some bricks or stones. Place them along the edge of your garden bed, creating a gentle curve or path for your hose to follow, like a secret garden road. This keeps your hose in check, protecting your precious plants and all your hard work from accidental trampling. Or get creative with stakes and twine. Just drive some sturdy stakes into the ground and string twine or rope between them. Instant hose guide. With your hose guide in place, watering becomes effortless. No more fighting, just gliding. Your hose follows its path perfectly, delivering water right where your plants need it. No more collateral damage. Plus, your hose stays neat and organized, so you're not tripping over it every time you turn around. So, say goodbye to hose wrestling matches and give hose guides a try. Your plants and your back will thank you, and you'll enjoy every moment in your thriving, beautiful garden. Ready for a game-changing garden hack? This one's not just clever, it's downright fun. Imagine turning those ordinary plastic bottles you'd usually toss away into your very own custom watering cans. It's simple, eco-friendly, and gives those bottles a second life, right in your garden. All you need is a clean, empty plastic bottle, big or small, whatever suits your watering style. Let's dive in. Grab a tool to poke some holes in the bottle cap. Think of it as crafting your own mini rain shower. Carefully punch several small holes in the cap. The more holes, the gentler the sprinkle. Fill up your new watering can with water, or add a splash of liquid fertilizer for an extra boost, then twist the cap on tight. This hack is a lifesaver for watering seedlings and those oh-so-delicate plants. The tiny holes create a soft, even flow. No more flooding or disturbing fragile roots and blooms. Plus, you're in total control of how much water each plant gets. Perfect for those that hate soggy feet. And here's the best part. You're saving plastic from the landfill and giving it a brand new purpose. Your garden wins, the planet wins. Now that's what I call a blooming, brilliant idea. Ready for a little magic in your gardening journey? There's something truly enchanting about watching those tiny seeds burst to life, like witnessing a secret miracle right in your backyard. But let's be honest, starting seeds can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're just dipping your toes into the gardening world. Don't worry though, I've got a game-changing hack that'll make you feel like a gardening pro. And the best part? You probably already have the secret ingredient in your fridge. Egg cartons. That's right. Egg cartons are the ultimate seed-starting containers, practically made for the job, and totally free. You can use either cardboard or plastic, but here's a pro tip. Go for the cardboard ones if you can. They're biodegradable, so when your seedlings are ready, you can plant the whole thing, carton and all, straight into the earth. How cool is that? First up, give those egg cartons a good rinse and let them dry out in the sun. Clean and fresh is the way to go. Next, fill each little compartment with seed starting mix. Think of it as tucking your seeds into a cozy bed. Don't pack it down too tight. Keep it fluffy and loose so those baby roots can stretch out and grow strong. Now make a tiny indentation in the center of each compartment. Your finger or a pencil works perfectly. This is where the magic happens, your seed's new home. Gently drop 1 or 2 seeds into each little nest, depending on what you're growing. It's like planting tiny treasures. Cover them up with a soft layer of seed starting mix, just enough to tuck them in, not smother them. Time to give your seeds a drink. Grab a spray bottle for a gentle mist that won't wash them away. A few spritzes is all it takes. Keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Check the moisture with your finger. If it feels damp, you're golden. And before you know it, you'll see those little green sprouts reaching for the sky. Proof that a little creativity goes a long way in the garden. All right, let's get real for a second. Cleaning garden tools? Not exactly the highlight of anyone's gardening day, right? But what if I told you it could be quick, easy, and even a little bit fun? Keeping your tools sparkling isn't just about looks. It's the secret to making them last for years and keeping your plants happy and healthy. And here's a game-changing hack you'll wish you'd known sooner. The magical sand bucket. Yep, you heard me. Just plain old sand. The same stuff you find at the beach or in a sandbox can become your new best friend in the garden. All you need is a bucket. Any bucket will do. Fill it about 2/3 full with sand, and you've got yourself a DIY tool cleaning station. Now, here's where the magic really happens. Get ready. Grab your muddiest shovels, trowels, or hose and plunge them right into that sand. Don't be shy. Give them a good workout. Move those tools in and out, back and forth like you're churning up a garden smoothie. The sand acts like a gentle scrubber, whisking away stubborn dirt and grime in seconds. Want to take it up a notch? Here's a pro tip. Add a splash of oil to your sand bucket. Just pour in a few tablespoons of oil and mix it up. It's like giving your tools a spa treatment. The oil coats your tools as you clean, creating a protective shield that fights off rust and corrosion. When you're done, just tap off the extra sand and give your tools a quick wipe with a clean rag. And there you have it. Tools that are clean, protected, and ready to help you conquer your next gardening adventure. Who knew cleaning could be this satisfying? Next, let's transform your chaotic tool pile into a masterpiece of organization. Be honest. How many times have you tripped over a rake or spent ages hunting for your favorite trowel? Tools seem to have a secret life of their own. But don't worry, because I've got a game-changing hack for you. The ultra-easy, budget-friendly PVC pipe tool holder. This is about to become your new favorite DIY project. First up, let's gather our supplies. Think of it as a treasure hunt for your future organized shed. Head to your local hardware store and grab some PVC pipes in different diameters. The more variety, the better. The trick is to match the pipe size to your tools, so lay them out and see what fits best. You'll also need a few essentials. PVC pipe cutters, a trusty tape measure, and something to mount your holder, screws, nails, or even heavy-duty adhesive tape if you're feeling bold. Before you start slicing and dicing, take a moment to measure your tools and sketch out your design. Planning is half the fun. Once you've got your blueprint, it's time for action. Cut those pipes to the perfect length. Mark your measurements, then carefully cut each piece. Precision here means a snug, secure fit for every tool. Mounting time. Attach your custom-cut pipes to the wall using screws or nails. Watch your tool holder come to life before your eyes. And just like that, you've created a one-of-a-kind PVC pipe tool holder. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a garden shed that sparks joy every time you walk in. And there you have it, garden enthusiasts. These are my absolute favorite garden tool hacks, designed to make your gardening adventures easier, smarter, and a whole lot more fun. Remember, gardening is your playground. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and truly savor every moment you spend with your plants. These hacks are just the beginning. Imagine what amazing ideas you'll come up with next. I can't wait to see your creativity bloom. And always remember, the secret ingredient to any thriving garden is a whole lot of love. So roll up those sleeves, dive into the dirt, and let your passion grow. Got a favorite tool or hack? Share it with us using #Rhokins Homestead, #urban gardening, or #small space gardening on your favorite social media. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. There's so much more to discover together. Thank you for joining me here at Rhokins Homestead, your home for all things gardening. Let's keep growing, learning, and laughing together. Until next time, happy gardening.